Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an eggless, gluten-free and vegan ginger snap cookies. These cookies are so crispy and they snap exactly how a ginger snap cookies should be. A perfect healthy treat for Christmas. I created this recipe so that you can enjoy these healthy ginger snap cookies while cozying up in this festive season. And guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button so that you will get notified on your phone when I upload new healthy and tasty videos. Traditionally, ginger cookies are made with maida, refined sugar, and eggs. But taking into consideration the request from you guys for a cookie recipe which is eggless, gluten free, and vegan, I created this recipe as a Christmas treat for you guys. Now, instead of maida, I'm using bajra flour. Bajra, also known as pearl millet, is a winter grain. Now, why bajra? Because it helps to keep you warm, hence it is an ideal grain to include in your diet in the winters. Bajra can be used to make dosha, idli, chila, roti, etc. And I have already shared many recipes with bajra already. Bajra roti will be shared in the next video. So don't forget to watch the next video so that you can make and enjoy the goodness of bajra roti. It's important to eat seasonal grains to get their maximum benefits. Also check my previous bajra dosha recipe video to know more about the health benefits of bajra and why you should be including it in your diet, especially in the winters. Links will be updated at the end of this video. So without wasting much time, let's quickly dive into the recipe. Also, I'll be sharing some tips and more options at the end of this video. So make sure you watch the video till the very end. Into my chutney grinder, I'm adding in half of a nutmeg, 4 cloves, and 1 cup organic coconut sugar. I have already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of using coconut sugar. Do check it out to understand more. Grind all this and then transfer the ground ingredients to a large bowl. Into that, add in 1 tablespoon dry ginger powder. After all, we are making ginger cookies, right? So you need to use dry ginger powder. Add in half cup wood pressed coconut oil, or you can use virgin coconut oil. Now, virgin coconut oil and wood pressed coconut oil has a very neutral flavor, hence you won't even feel that coconutty flavor in the cookies. Also note that the buying links to the ingredients I'm using are updated in the description box below this video, so please do check it out. Now with a whisk, give this a mix for about a minute so that the coconut sugar is mixed into the coconut oil. Once it is mixed, add in 1.5 cups of bajra flour, also known as bajra atta or pearl millet flour. Into this, add in 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, half teaspoon baking soda, 3 tablespoon arrowroot powder. Instead of arrowroot powder, you can use tapioca powder or potato starch. Since bajra does not have any gluten, the arrowroot powder helps in binding and also to make the cookies super crispy. Now with my hand, I am first mixing the flour and then mixing everything into a dough. The dough is soft and you can easily shape it into small round cookies. At this moment, I am preheating my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Traditional ginger snap cookies has a sugar coating, and for that I am using khandsari sugar, which is a traditional unrefined sugar. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of khandsari sugar into a plate. Roll each cookie dough in the khandsari sugar and place it on a baking tray lined with baking mat or a parchment paper. Make sure you leave some gap between the cookies as they will spread out once they are baked. Bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Also note that oven temperature varies with oven, so keep an eye on the cookies after 10 minutes. Once baked, cookies will be slightly undercooked and soft in the middle. Allow the cookies to cool down a little in the pan, and once slightly cooled down, the eggless ginger snap cookies can be transferred from the baking pan to a wire rack and then allow it to cool completely and it will stay good at room temperature for about a month. These Gingersnap cookies are super crispy, and with the subtle flavors of the spices, they are a perfect healthy treat this festive season. And yes, you will not find these kind of healthy recipes anywhere on the internet. And for those of you who like a cinnamon flavor, can mix khandsari sugar with 2 teaspoons cinnamon powder, and then you can coat the cookies with cinnamon sugar. Those with celiac disease, or those who are intolerant to gluten, or those who simply want to include bajra in their diet can enjoy this healthy and tasty Gingersnap cookies. And the best part is these cookies are so tasty that nobody will guess these are made with bajra flour. Kids will really enjoy this super tasty and healthy Gingersnap cookies. You can also follow me on Instagram for more healthy recipes and tips. And if you try this recipe, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and send me a picture. So guys, do enjoy the winter holidays with this healthy Gingersnap cookies and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.